Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best cutting mat is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cutting mats, exploring different materials, sizes, and features to help you find the perfect one for your culinary adventures. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cooking enthusiast, a good cutting mat can make all the difference in your food preparation. Number 5. Nicole Home Collection Cutting Mats. These cutting mats are crafted from food-safe, BPA-free plastic. This ensures your family's health and safety while you prepare meals. You can use them with confidence every day. The mats are ultra-flexible and lightweight, but also strong. They bend easily, allowing you to transfer chopped food directly into your pots and pans. This makes cooking much easier. With 3 vibrant colors, these mats help prevent cross-contamination. You can easily distinguish between mats for meats, vegetables, seafood, and fruits. This is a great way to keep your food safe. The non-slip surface keeps the mats securely in place while you're cutting. They are also dishwasher safe and easy to clean, saving you time in the kitchen. Cleaning up is a breeze. The specially designed surface resists odors and stains. This keeps the mats clean, hygienic, and fresh even with everyday use. They will stay looking great. These cutting mats are designed to be gentle on your knives. They help prevent blade dulling, extending the life of your kitchen tools. It's a win-win. The mats have ideal dimensions of 12 by 15 inches, providing ample cutting space. They are also easy to store, making them perfect for everyday use in any kitchen. They are the perfect size. What we like? This cutting mat set is crafted from BPA-free plastic, ensuring your food prep is safe for the whole family. It's also flexible and durable, making it easy to transfer ingredients. If you are looking for a safe and convenient option for everyday use, you should consider this. What people say. The mats are thick and sturdy. They are easy to clean and store. The mats are non-slip on the counter. Number 4. Cooler Kitchen Bamboo Cutting Board Set. This cutting board set is crafted from high-quality, renewable bamboo. It's designed to be durable and gentle on your knives. The set includes a large bamboo board and flexible cutting mats. The set comes with color-coded plastic cutting boards, perfect for all your meal prep needs. These mats are sturdy yet flexible, making it easy to transfer ingredients. These cutting mats are 1 mm thick, providing durability while remaining flexible. You can easily curl them to pour ingredients or even use them as placemats. The mats have a non-stick, BPA-free coating, making them easy to clean and preventing odors. The color-coded design helps keep your food prep organized. Each mat has a textured bottom to prevent slipping on countertops. For extra grip, just place a wet paper towel underneath. It's sized perfectly for home chefs. With the included holder, you'll have a designated spot for the cutting mats, keeping your kitchen tidy. This set makes cleanup a breeze with its organized design. What we like? This set combines a bamboo cutting board with flexible, color-coded mats, perfect for organized meal prep. The non-slip grip keeps everything secure on your countertop. If you like a comprehensive cutting solution with a designated spot for your mats, you should consider this. What people say. Very nice cutting board with a few issues. Pros: good big size board and mats. Has a nice bevel around the top so that if you cut a piece of meat on the wood bamboo cutting surface, the juice doesn't run off onto the counter. I love the quality of the board and the mats. It's so convenient to have options for the mats when cutting a different food. It's so easy to clean and has made cooking more enjoyable. Number 3. July Home 3-Piece Flexible Cutting Board Set. These cutting boards are made with premium quality material and an ultra-thick design. The set comes in 3 vibrant colors and features a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. Its 1 mm thickness makes it ideal for daily use. The cutting boards feature a high-density composition, yet they are smooth and lightweight. They also have a textured waffle grip, which prevents slipping and is gentle on knives and cutlery. This rectangular cutting board set is easy to use for quick chopping tasks. Simply hand wash it with mild soap to clean. It makes meal prep simple and stress-free. These cutting boards are just what you need in the kitchen. The compact design of the 3-piece set makes cooking easier. You can chop, slice, and dice with confidence, knowing they will stay in place. The cutting board mats are strategically color-coded. You can safely use them for slicing fruit, chopping veggies, and even as a cutting board for meat carving. Each flexible cutting board mat measures 15 inches by 12 inches, providing plenty of room for all your chopping needs. Please note that these cutting mats are not dishwasher safe. We recommend hand washing them with mild soap and water to maintain their quality and longevity. What we like. These cutting mats feature an extra thick design and a gripped back for stability while you chop. The color-coded system helps prevent cross-contamination. If you have a passion for cooking and want a durable and easy-to-use cutting surface, you should consider this. What people say. The mats are thick and sturdy. They are easy to clean and store. The different colors are great for preventing cross-contamination. Number 2. Silicone Baking Mat 3-pack. These baking mats are made of food-grade silicone and are BPA-free. They ensure even heating and can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes them perfect for all your baking needs. Before the first use, boil the mats in water for 10 minutes. If you notice a scent, you can heat them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes to remove it. You won't need any grease with these mats. Even sticky dough won't stick. They are also twice as thick as standard mats, making them extra durable. This set includes 2 half-sheet mats and 1/4 sheet mat. They are ideal for macarons, pastries, and cookies, making them essential baking supplies. Cleaning is easy. Just wipe them with a damp, soapy sponge or put them in the dishwasher. You can skip the parchment paper and enjoy a quick, effortless cleanup. What we like. These silicone baking mats are made from food-grade silicone and are designed to withstand high temperatures. The non-stick surface makes baking a breeze, and cleanup is effortless. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-clean baking solution, you should consider this. What people say. They clean so easily, and keep food from sticking to them or the pans. The non-stick surface works perfectly for cookies, roasted veggies, and even fish. Makes cleanup super easy, food does not stick to them, and the food tastes the same. Number 1. Fotouzy Flexible Cutting Board Mats, set of 7. These cutting mats are made of BPA-free material, ensuring durability. The 1 mm thickness makes it more durable than similar products. You can count on it to last. The mats feature a textured waffle grip on the back, providing stability on most surfaces. For extra grip, especially on wet surfaces, a damp paper towel underneath works wonders. This design eliminates the risk of the board slipping. These cutting mats are lightweight, flexible, and anti-skid. They are also dishwasher safe. Each board is easy to store and can be curled to help you pour food directly into a pan. The set includes color-coded mats with food icons, red for meat, green for vegetables, blue for fish, and yellow for fruit. This helps prevent cross-contamination and keeps food flavors separate. We are confident in the quality of this product. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you enjoy your purchase. What we like. These cutting board mats are made from BPA-free material and feature an anti-skid back for stability. The color-coded design with food icons helps prevent cross-contamination. If you like to keep your food prep organized and safe, you should consider this. What people say. The mats are thick and sturdy. They are easy to clean and store. The different colors are great for preventing cross-contamination. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.